Have you ever wondered how fast you're really moving right now? As you sit watching this video, you're not just stationary. In fact, since you hit play, you've already traveled over 1,600 feet through space on planet Earth. That's the equivalent of more than 5 football fields. But here's the mind-blowing part. This isn't just about your everyday commute or a leisurely stroll. It's about our entire galaxy zooming through the cosmos at an astonishing speed of 390 miles per second. What's propelling us at such an incredible velocity? And what does it mean for our cosmic neighborhood? Today, we're diving into the real-world mystery that scientists uncovered in the 1970s, the Great Attractor. This unseen force isn't just affecting us, it's pulling thousands of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, towards it with irresistible gravitational pull. Stick around as we unravel this cosmic enigma and uncover the secrets of what lies beyond our galaxy's edge. Ready to embark on a journey through space and time? Let's explore together. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the Milky Way hurtles through space at an astonishing speed of 390 miles per second, driven not by inertia alone, but by the gravitational forces of the universe itself. This revelation, uncovered in the 1970s, sparked a profound realization. Our galaxy, along with a multitude of others spanning a vast swath of 500 million light-years, is being inexorably drawn towards an enigmatic force dubbed the Great Attractor. This mysterious entity exerts a gravitational pull so immense that it affects the motion of over 100,000 galaxies, including our own. The discovery of the Great Attractor both fascinated and unsettled astronomers. While the universe's expansion, known as the Hubble flow, and gravitational interactions with nearby galaxies like Andromeda explain part of our galaxy's velocity, the Great Attractor introduces a new layer of complexity. It pulls galaxies across unimaginable distances, challenging our understanding of cosmic dynamics. However, unlocking the secrets of the Great Attractor is no easy task. Situated within the zone of avoidance, a region obscured by dense clouds of interstellar dust and gas, the Great Attractor eludes direct observation. Despite technological advancements in telescopic capabilities, fully comprehending this cosmic giant remains one of astronomy's greatest challenges. As astronomers continue to probe deeper into the cosmos, the quest to unravel the nature and implications of the Great Attractor persists, a journey that promises to expand our knowledge of the universe and our place within it. For many years after we first found the Great Attractor, we were completely puzzled by it. We couldn't see it directly, so we had to study how its gravity affected nearby galaxies. Even though this wasn't much to work with, it helped us figure out its location, between 150 and 250 million light-years away, in the direction of the Norma constellation. This gave us our first clue about its enormous size. We now think the Great Attractor has the mass of about 10 quadrillion suns. This number was mind-boggling because nothing else in the universe even comes close. Today, the largest known single object is an ultramassive black hole called TON 618. It's so ridiculously huge that it almost seems like a joke made up by astronomers. TON 618 is nearly 250 billion miles wide and powers a quasar that shines as brightly as 140 trillion suns. It might be the largest thing ever discovered in our universe. It's a frightening, colossal void of destruction, yet even this black hole weighs only 66 billion solar masses, which is incredibly massive, but still about 150,000 times less than the Great Attractor. Scientists have potentially identified a colossal black hole named Phoenix A, speculated to be as massive as 100 billion times our Sun. Despite ongoing debates over its exact dimensions, the discovery raises intriguing questions about the Great Attractor's gravitational influence. This enigmatic cosmic region has long puzzled scientists due to its obscured nature from visible light telescopes. Recent advancements in radio and infrared telescopes over the past 4 decades have finally allowed glimpses beyond the zone of avoidance, revealing a dense concentration of galaxies at the heart of the Great Attractor. Contrary to expectations of finding alien megastructures or an unprecedented cosmic anomaly, the observations primarily unveiled a vast assemblage of galaxies. This revelation, though seemingly mundane at first glance, significantly enhances our understanding of the Great Attractor's underlying structure. Delving into the universe's origins unveils a structured cosmos governed by the cosmic web, a cosmic blueprint where gravitational forces sculpted the distribution of matter over billions of years. This process formed intricate arrangements from stars to galaxies, clusters, and superclusters, like the Virgo supercluster, containing around 100 galaxy groups, including our own Milky Way. However, recent insights reveal that even the Virgo supercluster, once thought to encompass our entire cosmic neighborhood, is just a fragment of the larger Laniakea supercluster, encompassing thousands of galaxies across vast cosmic distances. Imagine the universe as a colossal spiderweb spanning unimaginable distances. Galaxies and galaxy clusters form the threads of this web, with dense intersections where superclusters like the Virgo and Laniakea emerge. Our cosmic address begins with the Milky Way, nestled in a local group of 40 galaxies. Previously, we believed the Virgo supercluster defined our cosmic neighborhood, but the discovery of Laniakea reshaped our perspective. Laniakea binds together 45,000 galaxies in a vast interconnected structure, revealing the universe's profound complexity. Zooming out, stars aggregate into galaxies, which cluster into superclusters like Virgo, comprising approximately 100 galaxy groups. Laniakea, however, dwarfs Virgo, illustrating the universe's intricate web-like nature. This cosmic web, held together by gravitational forces, underscores our place within an expansive and interconnected cosmos. As we ponder the Great Attractor and the vast cosmic web it unveils, we're reminded of our small yet significant place in the universe. Each discovery pushes the boundaries of human understanding, urging us to explore further and embrace the awe-inspiring mysteries that surround us. Join the journey of discovery by subscribing to our channel for more insights into the wonders of space and beyond. Together, let's uncover the secrets of the cosmos and marvel at the beauty and complexity of our interconnected universe. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more cosmic revelations.